In this video, we're looking at two essential tools from the Lumberjack XP series cordless range, the hammer drill and the impact driver. These two are often bought together as a complete kit with two 4 amp hour batteries, a fast charger and a carry case, or you can pick them both up as bare units if you've already got the batteries. Whether you're working in wood, metal, masonry or doing general fixings around the workshop, home or on site, this pair has it covered. Let's start with the hammer drill. This is a 3-in-1 tool giving you the flexibility of standard drilling, screwdriving and hammer drilling, all controlled by the mode selector ring just behind the chuck. It's got variable speed control, an LED work light and a 1/2 inch metal keyless chuck for quick bit changes. Max torque is 50 Newton meters, which is more than enough for driving long screws or drilling through timber and sheet materials. You also get 20 different torque settings, giving you precise control over how much power you apply to each fixing. Especially useful when working with delicate materials or pre-drilled holes. The hammer function lets you drill into brick or block work with ease, making it a versatile all-rounder for site, home or workshop use. Next up is the impact driver. This one's all about high torque screwdriving and bolt removal, especially where a standard drill would struggle. It delivers 150 Newton meters of max torque, up to 2,900 RPM and an impact rate of 3,300 blows per minute. Perfect for coach screws, long fixings and heavy duty joinery. It uses a 1/4 inch hex quick change chuck, so you can swap bits in and out without any tools. Just like the drill, it has an LED work light, reversible modes and variable speed trigger for better control during startup. The compact body and ergonomic rubber grip make it easy to handle, even during repetitive jobs or in tighter spaces. Both of these tools are part of the Lumberjack XP series cordless range, which means they both work on the same 20V lithium-ion battery system, compatible with both the 2 and 4 amp hour batteries, depending on the runtime and the weight you're after. And when you buy the combo kit, you get two 4 amp hour batteries, a fast charger and a durable carry case, ideal for keeping everything organized and ready to go. So if you're looking to build out your cordless setup, or you just want two reliable workhorses in one package, the Lumberjack 20V XP series hammer drill and impact driver combo is a great all-round solution for home, workshop and site use. There'll be links in the description below so you can check out both tools individually or take a look at the kit version. If you'd like to see more of these tools being put through their paces on real projects, head over to my channel, Renovation Dan. Loads of builds, workshop jobs and tool tests on there with plenty of Lumberjack kit in the mix. And don't forget to make sure that you subscribe to the official Lumberjack YouTube channel. We've got plenty more tool walkthroughs and workshop content coming soon.